Hey, what's up? First off, congratulations for registering for the Think and Grow Rich Challenge. I don't know about you, but I am so excited for a lot of reasons. Number one, Think and Grow Rich is one of my favorite books of all time. This is when I first started my business. This was the book that got me in the right mindset to actually be successful building a company and growing it. And so I'm excited to talk about it, but more so I'm excited because not only is this like me and a bunch of other people talking about Napoleon Hill, you actually have a chance to see Napoleon Hill teaching these principles. We found old, rare video footage of Napoleon Hill teaching this stuff, and during the challenge, you're gonna have a chance to hear him actually teaching these principles, which is insane. So I'm so excited for that, and I cannot wait to share with you guys during the challenge. It's coming up very, very soon. Now, as a free challenge member, you are gonna love everything you learn. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna be streaming it into a Facebook group, and you have a chance to go and get access to all the trainings for free. But what most people may or may not know about is we do have a VIP option. Now, I'm not sure about you, but I'm the kind of guy, if I go to a concert, I want VIP tickets to go meet the band. I'm the kind of guy who, if I'm flying in a plane, I want to sit first class. I want to get as close to the action as possible. So for any of you guys who want a VIP experience, we do actually have that this time, which is gonna be really, really cool. So you get the VIP upgrade. First off, instead of doing the challenge inside of Facebook, where most people will be doing it, you'll actually be doing it inside of Zoom. You'll be able to network with all the other VIPs, which is really fun and exciting. And then every day when the challenge is over, we're gonna be opening up and bringing in some Napoleon Hill experts to come and teach you guys more about it. For example, Don Green, the head of the Napoleon Hill Foundation, is gonna be coming and speaking to all of the VIPers. JB Hill, who's Napoleon Hill's grandson, who knows more about Napoleon Hill than anyone on this planet, is gonna be coming and telling you guys really cool, unique stories about Napoleon Hill and a whole bunch of other stuff. The VIP is gonna be really cool and special experience. And so normally VIP costs $197, but we wanted to do something cool for you guys today because this is our first Napoleon Hill Think and Grow Rich Challenge. So we're gonna give you guys a discount of just $47. You can become a VIP, which is amazing. And when you do become a VIP, obviously you get the VIP experience, but on top of that, I'm gonna send you some really cool gifts in the mail. And this is what the gifts are right here. So number one, you're gonna get this box in the mail, and there's some really cool things. When I open it up, the very first thing you're gonna get is your very own copy of Think and Grow Rich. Now, you may have a copy like this, but this copy of Think and Grow Rich is one that's special. First off, I designed it, so I love the cover and I love the look and the feel, but also I had a chance to write the foreword for this version of Think and Grow Rich. So I'm gonna send you this copy of Think and Grow Rich, so you got a brand new copy, so you can read this when the challenge is over and kind of go deep into all the principles you're gonna be learning from Napoleon Hill. And on top of that, I wanna bribe you with some other really cool, like rare, unique gifts you can't get anywhere else on this planet. The next one is a book, and you've probably never heard this one. It's called It Will Place You Wherever You Wish to Be Amongst Men by Napoleon Hill, Practical Lessons in Applied Psychology. Now, Napoleon Hill published this book in 1919, and back then he sold it for $50, which is the equivalent of like $850 today, and it has not been in print since then. And so this is something, I got the rights from the Napoleon Hill Foundation to republish this. It is one of my favorite things Napoleon Hill's ever written, and most people have never had a chance to see this. And so if you want part of the bonus, I'll give you this for free. I'll ship you out your own physical copy of this, which is gonna be amazing. And there's one other cool bonus inside of here. This is another unpublished manuscript from Napoleon Hill. He was writing to teach salespeople like how to control their own psychology so they can become better salespeople. And this book is called The Secrets of Master Salesmanship. Again, this book has never been published before. You have a chance to get this one in the mail as well. And so becoming a VIP gets $47. You get the VIP experience. Plus, I'm going to send you these gifts in the mail, which you are going to love. And there's one other thing that you get as a VIP member. I'm actually going to give you 30-day trial access to our membership site that's called Secrets of Success. Now, Secrets of Success is a really cool community. It's a cool mastermind group where every single month, collectively as a group, we are reading books about personal development. We're doing book clubs. I've been republishing the top personal development books on the planet. Most of them have been lost to the ages. People don't know who these authors are, and there's some of the most amazing books in the world. We have the books in there, the audiobooks, a whole bunch of other cool stuff. You also get access to an entire training program from Napoleon Hill called The Science of Success and a whole bunch of other cool things. And so I'm not going to ruin the surprise of what's inside the membership site, but I'm going to give you a 30-day trial. It means for the next 30 days, you can go in there, play around, be part of the book clubs, hang out with all the cool members, use all the cool tools and resources, and then in 30 days from now, you can decide if you want to keep the membership. If you don't, you just message us and we'll cancel your membership. No harm, no foul. But if you do love it, like most of our members, you can be a member at the lowest discounted price right now when you become a VIP today. So that's the game plan. All the information about being a VIP is down below. But again, the core things, for just $47, you get VIP access to the challenge, which means you're in a Zoom room and you get a chance to meet some of the coolest Napoleon Hill people in the world, like Don Green, JB Hill, and others. Number two, you get this amazing gift shipped out to you in the mail with 2 unpublished Napoleon Hill books, as well as your very own brand new copy of Think and Grow Rich. And then you also get 30 days access to the membership site. So if you want to become a VIP member, there's a link down below. Click on that down below. Become a VIP, and you'll be hanging out with me in the VIP section of the Think and Grow Rich Challenge. Thanks so much, and I cannot wait to see you during the live challenge. So fill out the form down below and become a VIP.